Hello decorators, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create this green forest canopy. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. We will start by creating the tree trunks. For that, we will use a pipe and drape base, just the vertical part of it. Each tree trunk will have one as a base. Next, we will start on our balloons. For tree trunks, we are using 2 shades of brown balloons and 2 shades of brown to 60s. For base balloons, we are using Coffee by Sempertax and Chocolate by Sempertax. Create the quad of each color and randomly add it to the base. Hug 2 balloons around the base and then twist them for a stronger hold. We will add few more of the clusters with loops of 260s. This will give us an imitation of the root. Now let's get to our 260s. As mentioned earlier, here we are using 2 colors of brown, Mocha Brown by Qualitex and Chocolate by Sempertax. Now using a hand pump or an inflator for 260s, inflate each 260 to full capacity and then release a little air. Releasing air from 260s will make them more flexible and they will less likely pop when you work with them. Mixing colors or staying with 1 color palette, tie 2 260s together, creating a deuce, and then twist 3 deuces together, creating a 6-point star-looking cluster. Next, we will take that cluster and, starting from the bottom of the base, add them to balloons on the base. Simply twist them around the balloon on one side, slightly waving it, wrap it around the base, and tie the ends of the tips. Then tie them to the neck of the balloons on the base. Using the same technique, add 5 clusters made from 260s in different spots of the tree trunk, waving them around the base. Another element that we will attach to our tree trunk is our braid vines. We created them for each color of the brown 260s as well. Here, we will inflate our 260s the same way, releasing the little air for flexibility. Then, two 60s together, braid it, and then tie ends together so a braid stays in the same shape. After that, using next of two 60s on the braid, tie it to one side of one of the balloon necks on the base. Here, we make it go along with our strands of two 60s, and then tie the other side by the longest tip to one of the balloon necks on the base. We will add 3 braids to each tree trunk. Last element we will add to our tree trunks is a tree swirl, and again, we will use a 260 for it and our super glue. Inflate our 260 and release all the air so it is stretched out. Then wrap it around a tube, pipe, or a hand pump and hold it by the tip and inflate it again. This will create a curl. Then, using a super glue, start gluing the side of the 260 to create a swirl. You don't need a lot of the glue, just a teeny tiny dollop. To attach a swirl, you can use the same glue, double-sided tape, or U-glue dots, and you can attach it to the trunk. We will add 4 swirls on each tree trunk. Now let's get to our top part, our greenery part. Here, we will mix a variety of green colors for depth and dimension. The colors we picked are lime green by Tuftex, forest green by Sempertex, evergreen by Tuftex, and emerald green by Qualitex. We will use the mixed sizes of 11 and 17-inch balloons and inflate them and tie them in quads, mixing sizes and colors. Then, using a necktie technique, create a bigger and fluffier cluster. Randomly tie them to each other, extending them in length and width. We will create 4 of these for each tree trunk. Now, using loose and looped 260s, attach our clusters of green balloons to the base in several spots. If you are setting up outside, you can utilize the horizontal poles to secure your greenery balloons. Ours is inside, so it works just fine. To create a canopy look, we will connect our greenery in between trees with mini garlands in the same mixed green colors. We will use loops of 260s to attach them to either side. Lastly, we will attach our string spheres to the middle. You can find a tutorial on how to make them in this bundle. Here, we are using magnetic hooks to attach them to the Armstrong ceiling. But if you are creating it outside or ceiling is a lot taller, then you can utilize horizontal poles for connecting your trees, and then you can run a string in between, something strong like a rat tail cord. And then you can hang your spheres on that string. And here you have it, a green forest canopy. We use a couple different elements like our balloon trees and string spheres on top. You can play with the colors of it to make it match your theme. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create, so make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you share your creations on social media. And I will see you in the next video.